Alrighty, so today we're going to be looking at graphing linear inequalities and transformations of linear equations. So, let's look at number 1, okay? We want to see which side to shade. Remember, these dotted lines mean that nothing on this line will actually count. But the solid lines mean that whatever's on this line will actually count, okay? If there's no line underneath here, you dot it. If there is a line underneath here, it's solid. Don't forget that, okay? Remember, if the greater sign is facing y, you shade above. Okay? And if the less than sign is facing y, you shade below. Okay, so in this case, G would be a solution, T would not. And in this case, R would be a solution, N would not. Now, in number 4, anything on this line would also be considered a solution, but anything on the line for number 1 would not be because it's dotted, okay? So once you do that, you're going to come down to the bottom and write the letters that you found. So 1 was G, and 4 is R. Okay? Now, next page. All right, perimeter changes. It says identify the slope and y-intercept after making the change to the original graph, the new line. So you're going to take this first line, y equals 3x plus 6. So the y-intercept is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the slope is a negative, meaning go down, 3 over 1. So down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1. And keep going. And we'll do backwards, up 3 over 1. Okay. We'll draw our line. What is the slope here? Negative 3. What's the y-intercept? 6. Okay. Now, if they change and they say the y-intercept is decreased by 5, but the slope stayed the same, our new slope is negative 3. What's our new y-intercept? If it decreased by 5, that means 6 minus 5, which is what? 1. So our new y-intercept is 1. So you'll graph that line. The y-intercept is 1. The slope is still a negative 3. So down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. And that is your new line. So this is what happens to a line if it's shifted 5 units down. Okay? You're going to do the next 2 examples on your own. Okay? If you need any help, please let me know. Be sure to submit your answers online. And then when you're finished, go get your Staar test and do your Staar test corrections. Okay, remember whatever we go through on the Staar test today will be your warm-up tomorrow. Good luck!